Alright, so we finally got the R32 back. The satin pearl white wrap job looks pretty good. We also had the Pandem spoiler installed, and I figured it's time to put together the rear seats and give it more of a completed look in the back area. So here it is. I believe this is the back, and this is the seat. And now I need to take apart. He zip tied these. Now take it apart, line them up, and hook them back up. So pretty much what I had to do was get the frame and place it in there as tight as possible. And then what I'm going to need to do is get each clamp and tie it in to the frame. And this will be the bottom piece. That's it with the bottom portion of it snapped in. Now I'm going to work on the back part. Alright, so this is the full rear seat in the Skyline. We're going to be doing some more minor work to it. We also have a reveal video coming out with the drone footage and whatnot, so it should be cool. If you haven't seen the car before, look at a couple previous videos and you'll be able to see what it looked like when we first imported it.